fabricating a model setup, and here we can
We introduce concrete mixer as a new tool in the conventional soil washing.
On to the problem statement. So scrub tire
prediction for solar PV systems. Here we made
because of activities of YMS, now IESL is known all over the country at school level. They know about IESL, they know what we do, and they harness their own talents, and we focus that. And this is a long felt need for the IESL, and this year too, under the chairmanship of Indian now YMS has done a lot of work amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. So I congratulate YMS for everything they have done this year. When the whole country is in danger of being locked up again, YMS did not stop its affairs. That is the spirit of engineering. That is the spirit of engineers. If we can develop this spirit among the school children of this country, we can look for a better future in this country.
So after having congratulated you, like the President congratulated you on this endeavor, for deciding doing it very smartly. I saw the speakers, the computer, and everybody was very smart, very well done. Classy act, I must tell you, which is how we should do it. I went through some of the topics, although I didn't listen to all of them, and I was really impressed. For the first time, I'm seeing sensible stuff being discussed. I saw some automation on agriculture. Agriculture is a major sector in this country. Then I saw using automation to automatically control devices, which is fantastic. I think a lot of irrigation areas, a lot of medical health sector, we can use that kind of technology. Now the Kankanamge and the able committee and the faculty members whom I have met before have done a wonderful job. So thumbs up to you guys. Congratulations.
Actually, this is the first time for us to host an e-conference. So it wasn't something that we planned for years and years. So yes, I call this as a very successful conference indeed. So at times we had over 80 participants in some session. So I congratulate all the presenters for the successful publications of your research work. So upon this success, let me thank the chairman of Young Members Section Engineer Navodana Kankanamge and the secretary of the same, Dr. Dulini Mudunkotua. So not only that, this team I worked with today was already available when I joined this wagon. So I didn't know anyone before, and I haven't physically met even some of them even by today.